We have our 2-car garage.
Oh, that's a real 2-car garage too.
2 cars are 2 cars. Okay, 2 cars are 2 cars. It's not.
Sometimes the 2 cars like right here. I'm like, you ain't getting no second car in here.
Sometimes it's 2 cars.
That's
Sometimes
a real.
it's 2 SUVs. Sometimes it's 2 pickup trucks.
That's real.
And then I'm sure you know what that is.
No, what is that?
Coat closet.
Oh, coat closet.
For your Canadian geese.
Oh man, this is nice. I just want someone to come decorate my house. This is just, that's all I look at.
So when the yard is like this, are you gonna put a fence up here or what?
And you can put a fence up.
Oh, you can.
You can. Now
So that over here, that means that they're not building over there.
No, that's not where the actual house would be. That's not where the house is.
I'm saying in the future.
Oh yeah. When you see those white signs, those are forest conservation. Nothing can be built there.
Okay.
Oh, that cute little sun. Yeah, that's cute.
When you said she had dogs?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
She's got 2.
2.
Oh, I love how wide these staircases are.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is cute. I don't know how to say right in German. Oh, I love that ceiling fixture, light fixture. I love the paint. You have your access to the attic here in the hallway. Oh, look, it's the moon landing. I like how the ceiling is black. They did a great job staging this house. Oh, 2 sinks. You get two sinks. And a smart cat, I think. It's a nice linen closet. It's nice and deep. Oh, there's a smart bear, smart fox. And then we have this bedroom. This is a good sized room. I like the wainscoting on the wall. Okay, here's washer and dryer. Oh, this is nice. Man, they did a great job with this decorating. I just need to hire this person. Can you come to my house and do all this? Who thinks about stuff like that? It's so amazing. I like the light fixtures. Closet number 1. Okay, that's a nice size water closet. You won't feel like you are stuck. And you have your second closet. Fully walk in. So $10,000 towards closing here. I really just like all this art. I always like the art in these houses.
Mhm.